Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Lila Iké taking her music to new horizons. Indignation recording artist Lila Iké set to embark on her debut solo tour of Europe this summer.
This is the first time I'm going to be going, with my own band and singing my songs, having a set, going to different places I've never been before.
The second chance singer, who also shared that she will be premiering her new song Where I'm Coming From with accompanying visuals this week, also teased that she might be performing at the greatest reggae show on earth.
Possibly. I'm going to come support the general, big up Protege. So you never know, I might run out on the stage.
The reggae singer, who recently collaborated with Agent Sasco on Protege's newest single, Not Another Word, shared what it was like working with the winning Right Now DJ.
When Protege was just working on the song, and I was just like, yo, this is dope. I started to hold a vibe on it, and he's like, see if you sing on this though, and then he's like, I need somebody else, and he suggested Agent Sasco. We went there and checked him, and the man just freestyle all of him part from scratch.
Lila Iké is scheduled to perform at the Celebrate Brooklyn Festival in New York this month alongside Grammy-nominated artist Protege and reggae singer Janine. Now, Africa and the Caribbean on display at CFW 2019. The best of African and Caribbean collections will sashay on the runway at this year's staging of premier fashion show Caribbean Fashion Week. Pulse co-managing director Safia Cooper shared stylish details on what fans can expect at Caribbean Fashion Week for 2019.
Fashion Week 2019, amazing. It's the very first milestone stop in the Pulse Global Thrust. Of course, Villerenai will open our doors at Villerenai once more to host this year's Fashion Week, but a lot has changed. We have an amazing floating runway that will go out into the Villerenai rainforest. So imagine that. The forest, the perfect backdrop for fabulous fashion.
A stellar lineup of designer heavyweights will present collections at the Pulse Suites at Villerenai this Saturday and Sunday.
21 team contingent coming in from Nigeria, including designers and of course production teams, along with a fabulous array of Caribbean designers. Mei Ling, Claudia Pegas, Robert Young, you name it, Rena Luna. It's going to be amazing. It's an amazing week of activities, but get your outfits together. You're going to need them, so you're going to have fun. We could not do this without our partners. We have our partners from Nigeria who were also hosting for Fashion Week this year, Zenith Bank, Fashion One TV. They're the ones that are going to be carrying the Pulse and the Pulse products through Nigeria and into Africa and the wider space. Locally, we have Downtown Entertainment, who has been with us for quite some time now, and they will come with us on our overseas travels as well. Our other partners, we have the Spanish Court Hotel, the R Hotel, and of course, TVJ. Tickets are limited. We have your runway tickets that are $10,000. The upper deck, those are for $7,500. And we have the fly deck tickets, which are for $5,000, and the chill deck as well for $3,000. Head to Pulse now. Trust me, they're going fast.
CFW 2019 gets underway this Thursday, June 13, with the launch of Pulse's 40th anniversary at its Trafalgar Road headquarters. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.